Welcome to the transfer station at Core Trucking Company of Texas. Please follow our standard operating procedures when you arrive at Core for pickup and/or delivery of cargo. Your assigned appointment time is very important. If arriving early or late, please call ahead for approval. Note, there is no overnight parking or additional extended parking on site. Upon arrival, stop at the security gate and sign in at our transfer station office. The transfer station manager will direct you where on the yard to park or what bay to back into. Once you have docked, disconnect your red emergency brake line. While you're waiting, do not enter the transfer station warehouse unless instructed to do so. There is a restroom in our driver's lounge along with coffee and water. Please arrive with a clean and serviceable trailer. Our staff will inspect your trailer prior to loading. When loading or unloading is complete, you will be provided with the appropriate paperwork and a seal as needed. Safety and efficiencies are our greatest concern at Core Trucking. Please contact the transfer station manager if you have any questions. Thank you for your cooperation in this matter.